Hello, welcome back. My basket's starting to get a little bit emptier. We're on to day number 14. You can see it here. Let's grab our journal and let's see what's in this one. It's starting to get nice and chunky. I love it when the journals start to bulk out a little bit. Okay, for 14, we have our second installment of images to use and words. So here we have a wintry tree, these ladies all wrapped up for a little outing. This is another lady all wrapped up in her furs and hats. And again, lots of people all wrapped up in this one, out and about. And the words or phrases we've got this time round is, or are, come out. We've got winter wonderland, all is perfectly still, winter days, numb toes and frozen noses, and silent as the snow. Okay, well, you know that's going to work well because we've got that little blank page from yesterday, which might just fit an image nicely. So let's get started. All right, so start off by just auditioning some of these images. So we've got this one, we've got her, she's quite dark actually. She's quite dark too for that page. That one's quite cool. Or we've got the tree. Ooh, do you know, I think I might go for the tree, chop it down some and have it there. What do you reckon? Let's go for the tree. I'll put the others back and I'm just gonna grab a pencil and just mark roughly the size of my page here so that I can chop it down, but I want to keep that tree in. Okay, let me grab a big pair of scissors. No, I never, when I have an image like this, never throw these bits away because they can go on the edge of pages and have that just snippet of something happening, something going on, you know, like there, just having that little bit of tree showing. So I'm going to save those. I don't want the frame, so I'm going to chop that off as well. So we have our image here, which I think works really nicely. But what I might do is grab a very thin brush or even a paint marker. Maybe I'll grab a paint marker and maybe go around the tree and bring some more white space in. So alter the image slightly. I'll be back in a minute. I've got to dig out my paint marker. Here it is from, so this was the pen we got in day number 3. And it's got quite a nice fine nib on it. So in theory, it's going to go well. I'll be able to sort of very delicately go around some of these branches with it and just block out that background. So we just end up with the tree and the foreground. I like altering photographs in this way. And you can do it with paint and a brush if you've got a steady hand. But why not use our paint marker? Much easier. I'm having to simplify the tree a little because I can't get round all the very tiny, tiny fine branches, but I can sort of imply that they're there with the marks that I'm making. I hope you're all doing well. On the 14th, we're nearly there. Not long now. The kids are getting excited. Not much longer left of school for them. So they are really, really looking forward to breaking up. Particularly my oldest, who it's a tough year for her. She's in exam year. It's not easy. It's a very stressful time. And although she's still going to have to do a little bit of revision over the holidays, she's got Christmas to look forward to and to take off and relax. So she cannot wait. Can you see how that's starting to look on that side? I might have to go over it again, just to sort of smooth out some of the marks. But the pen is working fine. Taking out this tree that's in the background there in the distance. And I think, thinking of the words, what was it? As silent as the snow was quite nice. Maybe. Not that there is snow in it, but it's very wintry. We'll see. When we've finished, we'll see which words work best for this. Slow, patient marks, bit by bit. Something so beautiful about winter trees. I mean, I love it in spring when they get their leaves back, but there's something so still about a winter tree. Okay, just momentarily leaving that to dry, and then I'm going to do a second coat on that. That's 2 coats, and I've just grabbed a little bit of gesso just for the, I don't want some of these lines, so just in the larger spaces I'm just going to go over the top with a little bit of gesso just in the sort of outer rim of it. Just to give it a slightly smoother finish. There, I think that'll do. So we've isolated our little tree, or a big tree. I'm going to give that a quick dry. I've stuck it down into my page, and I chose the words "all is perfectly still," which I think works really well. Just in there. know it's a very simple page and we've not done much else other than alter our image, but it works perfectly in that space that I had in my journal. So it's a quick one, but I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.